Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the charging port on your Acer N20C5, you will need the following tools: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit area to prevent any damage to your device. First, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, keep them organized for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. With the back panel removed, take a moment to clean the internal components with compressed air. This ensures that dust and debris do not interfere with your repair. Now, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually connected with a few screws and a ribbon cable. Carefully detach the ribbon cable by lifting the connector with the spudger. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that you are lifting the latch and not forcing it. Next, remove the screws securing the charging port. It's essential to note the size and type of screws you're dealing with, as this will help during reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the charging port away from the motherboard. Before you install the new charging port, it's a good practice to inspect the area for any potential damage or debris. This can help ensure a proper fit and function when you install the new part. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the mounting holes on the motherboard. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the motherboard. Reconnect the ribbon cable by aligning it with the connector and pushing it down until you hear a click. This step is critical. A loose connection can lead to charging issues later. Once everything is securely in place, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear it click back into place. Replace all screws to ensure that the panel is secure. Before powering on your device, double-check that you have not left any tools or loose screws inside the laptop. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you without any travel hassle. Finally, power on your Acer N20C5 and test the new charging port by connecting your charger. If everything works correctly, your repair is complete. If you experience any issues, reach out to us for a quote before repair. We are here to help with all your laptop repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.